Happy Friday, everyone. It's Jill at Texas Gardening Gal. So, hey, it's August, and I wanted to go through my August to-do list. I did a video earlier, but it was so bright out here with the sun, so hot, and now it's kind of cooled down, sun is going down, nice and breezy. So I have a lot to do, and I decided that with August, I'm just gonna take this month as a month to kind of go through my area and redo what needs to be redone, mulch wise. Some of the plants need to be removed, transplanted or repotted to a different area. It's funny how when you first originally plan things, plant your plants or flowers thinking that they're going to do really well, to come to realize that that wasn't the best place for them. And being this is the second season that I've been here, I've learned a lot. And I only started out, there was nothing back here besides grass and a shed. So we're getting things where it's growing every season, every month, a lot of trial and error. So let me show you around. So got my list. Okay, so area number 1. This area over here. So obviously we need more mulch. I removed the brick from here, so I need to kind of clean that up. These bushes, oh my goodness. I didn't realize they were going to get as big as they did. Yes, I could have read the tag, which I'm sure I did, but it just, whatever. So I need to trim them down. They're beautiful though. When I trim it down, the tag's down there, so I'll show you what they are. But they get these beautiful purple flowers. We're gonna go ahead and finish filling this pot up and putting our flowers there, plant some seeds, and then probably fill that up with another bag of soil and plant some more seeds in that. And area number 2, this was the very first area that I did. The cannas were not originally in there, and when I put these in, I really was hesitant because I was afraid of exactly what they did. They've pretty much taken over, and then if you don't keep things up, like, they die off like this, and it's ugly. So what I'm going to end up doing is removing everything, just everything, gone. The cannas, I will put them in some pots. The plumera here will go in a pot. I thought it would do well there, and it really didn't. I'll trim these back. They're actually really pretty purple flowers, but I'll trim those back and move them. We'll get some fresh soil placed in those raised beds, and remulch with cedar mulch. And then, as much as I love this sign here, it's faded so bad. It used to be more the yellow and the orange, and it's really faded. So I need to find a new spot for this because it gets pretty much sun all day. Okay, so the back corner that I feel like I work on all the time. So I'm okay with these over here. They've really look pretty tough right now, but I recently moved them to where they do get this partial shade, and I continue to water every night. So hopefully they just keep improving. The banana tree I will place in a pot. And this raised bed, everything's doing well here. The pumpkins, the sunflowers, so thank goodness for this tree. And then over here, this is temporary. I just kind of got these out of the way again because of the location they were in. I have 2 more of these lights. They're solar lights, And I'm going to get one placed back here and another placed somewhere over here. And this raised bed had beautiful chocolate mint, and come the third week of June, it just got to a point where they couldn't take the sun. It was just too hot. The olive tree is good, so we'll keep the olive tree there. And everything in here is happy, and most of everything in there. We're going to go ahead and move this chair a little to the left and do just a little bit of rearranging here. This will stay in this area. We'll get rid of this obviously, and that just obviously needs watering. We'll go ahead and get my avocado tree now that I know it's okay with all the sun and heat. We'll go ahead and move it over here. I'm going to remove these grow bags, and we're going to build 2 more beds like this, and we're going to place them over here. And then I'm going to end up getting the cedar mulch. I thought I would like the black mulch, but the cedar I think will be better for this area. Remove this, level that back there. And in this corner, it's pretty bare right now. This is a real good spot in the springtime for things. Come this time of year, I need to find a few things that will be a better fit for this area. The plumeras needs to get some less sunlight. It's getting too much. My rose bush is very happy though. It was about here and all of a sudden just took off. So it's got some new leaves, but that is liking the heat. The rosemary's done very well. And again, I need to move this other plumera. So we'll go ahead, clean that out over there. That was a marigold. We'll get everything removed, new soil, remulch, and we'll get some bricks over here. All right, last but not least, this area here, and I'm pretty excited about this area. So one of the things that I really was debating is a little water feature, and I got a larger pot. You can't see them, but they were around 30. There's about 3 I think in there that swim around, little goldfish. I wanted some type of fish pond or raise something fish. Listen, they're ready to eat. They're ready for me to feed them. So what I decided to do, since I know this is doing as well as it is, I thought about it a lot. I thought, well, I don't want to dig an in-ground pond. I don't feel like doing a raised one. So I've just been doing a lot of research, and I decided I'm actually going to try a stock tank and use that as a pond. I've looked at some, and I'm probably going to do the one it's almost 200 gallons. So we're going to end up placing that back here. And behind that, I decided I'm going to build a shelf behind it to where like my spider plant can sit on the back. This little water feature can trickle into that. I have a plant over here that I will also place on the shelf as well. And my petunia, we'll get that in a different pot. So, and then we'll go ahead and just do some movement with some other stuff here. But that's going to be my other real big project, and I'm pretty excited about that. So obviously there's not a whole lot of pretty going on back here right now. We've had a lot of 100-degree temperatures, no rain, so it's just me watering. And it's been tough on these plants. So, and obviously I want to show you, you know, I just don't want to show you all these good things to give you, you know, where everything looks great all the time, because it doesn't. It's a struggle right now with trying to get everything to stay looking decent. So a lot of shifting around with the plants, a lot of watering, a lot of trial and error. So August is going to be pretty much, like I said, just clean up, rearrange, rebuild, and I'm looking forward to September. So I hope you enjoy my videos. I hope you follow my journey and hit that subscribe button. Bye.